this video, we test to see if we can use the Surefire Serial Pro wireless bridge to communicate independently of the internet or cellular data. We want to be able to communicate with friends and loved ones if other communication channels fail or are not available. We started by using the Serial Tools app to see if we could communicate with a wired serial connection. To create this connection, we started with a USB to RS-232 adapter to connect to our computers. Then we used a DB9 that had some terminal blocks on it for wiring. We connected wires between the terminal blocks of the RxD, TxD, and ground pins. The first time we tried this, it didn't work. We made it work by swapping the RxD and TxD on one of the terminal blocks. In testing the Serial Tools app, we noticed it sending every character as soon as we typed it. We wanted to be able to send one line at a time, but Serial Tools did not have this feature. After doing a Google search, we found an app called CoolTerm. Let me launch it and show you how we set the settings. We first went into options and we had to choose serial port. It may have defaulted to Bluetooth, and then we went down to terminal and we put it on line mode. And then we wanted to be able to see what we were typing, so we also turned on local echo. So then we clicked OK, and then we come up here and connect. And now we can type a line. And then that sends to the other side. After everything was working the way we wanted with the wire, we disconnected the wire and connected the Surefire Serial Pro bridge. We connected wires between the RxD, TxD, and ground pins on the DB9 connector to the RS-232 in, RS-232 out, and ground on the Surefire devices. We left the RxD and TxD swapped on one of the DB9 connectors. Because of this, the first time we tried, it didn't work. So we switched the RxD and TxD on the DB9s to see if that was the culprit. After making the wiring the same on both devices, we were able to successfully communicate. I took one unit into the foothills of a nearby city, and John took his into the foothills near our office. We successfully typed messages to each other using our laptops connected through the Surefire Serial Pro bridge. Questions on product features and support? Call a qualified Surefire technician at 844-787-3340.